Hi, son. How are you today? Are you good? Are you happy? I hope so. Today, I have mainly something to talk with you. Maybe December. Today, I think the weather is very hot. You think so? Are you think so? Very hot. But I don't care because I work in my office.
Lên ngó sang cái này nhìn nhau.
Mày không biết tao đang quay video.
Sorry.
There, in there, have to điều hòa là gì ta? Wait me. Điều hòa, air conditioner. Okay, right? My office have to have air conditioner, so I don't care the everything in our of my office. Maybe example the weather and something, you know. Right. And today is a special day, do you know? Today have nói thế nào nhỉ? Một hiện tượng đặc biệt, red moon or eclipse, you know it. Today and we can see or watching it on the sky. But today I have to work a lot of, so I go home for late, so I can watching it. I really so I really unhappy before it because it so many thing I want to talk with you, but I can describe by English. Okay. Today I so glad to I would like to send to you a short conversation about you look for bird watching. Okay, right? Okay, let's go. Unit 4, bird watching. I want to go bird watching tomorrow. Do you know a good area for birds? There are quite park near here. There are always many beautiful birds there. But there, will I be able to see different types of birds in this area? Yes, I think so. If you use binoculars, you can see the birds, even if they are far away. Great! I have a book about all the different types of birds. It seems that if you really like bird watching. Yes, I do. Would you like to come with me tomorrow? No, thank you. I think bird watching is boring. That's not true. Birds are very interesting. Some birds have colorful feathers. Some birds sing beautiful songs. Some birds make special nest to lay eggs in. Really? Maybe I will go bird watching one day after all. Okay, that's all. Please checking with checking for me about this video. I think I have to have a much mistake. Okay, you can see you can follow it by your refer just watching in handout. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye.